Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can turn off main track magnet and auto snapping in CapCut PC. So what main track magnet is, if you get a video and you place it in the main track, it's just going to automatically be magnetized to the main line here, this main area. So if I selected another video, it's going to snap into place again. So the auto snapping one is when you place, for instance, this video, and you want to place the video exactly where this line is, it's going to snap here. So if you want to turn it off, just select turn off auto snapping here and main track magnet, and you can basically place your video wherever you want. But I personally like it on because it just makes my editing cleaner, especially when I need to place something overlay on that specific place here. So in this time, I can use this line to place the second video where I want it. That is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!